Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be talking and showing you guys the importance of directed Facebook ads. Showing ads that are relevant to the users because you're going to get a higher relevancy score, cheaper CPMs, cheaper clicks, and you're going to have a high affinity to the audience. So let's get right into the video. Before we start the video, I want to announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course. So check your DM on YouTube, guys. Thank you for commenting. You guys are the winners from last week's video. If you guys want to qualify for winning next week's $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls, drop a comment below. I'll be picking the best comment every single video, every single day. And yeah, it's as simple as that. That's how you qualify. So what directed ads are is showing ads that are directed to the user you're targeting. On my screen here, I have like an ad called 001 dropshipping. So I'm targeting the interest dropshipping, and I'm going to be giving them a different ad to if I was targeting Shopify, and I'm going to give the people who are in the interest Gary V a different ad completely. So I have tailored ad for every single interest. So let me show you some video examples. So for example, check this out. This is the ad for dropshippers, and I'm going to show you an ad for Shopify users and an ad for Gary V users. And you can see how they're different and how they're tailored and directed to the audience I'm targeting.
If you run a dropshipping business, you gotta swipe up because I have a YouTube channel that provides a lot of dropshipping value. Everything on my YouTube channel is completely for free. Hey guys, what's up? If you own a Shopify store, you're going to want to swipe up. When you do, it's going to link to my YouTube channel where I provide free. Gary Vaynerchuk encouraged me to give every single e-commerce marketing knowledge away for completely for free, and that's exactly what I did. So if you want free, if you run Facebook ads, you're going to want to swipe up.
As you can see, I'm literally refilming these ads again and again for all the different users. And the reason I do this is because I'm going to have higher affinity to the targeted audience, and they're going to much more likely to convert. They're going to swipe up and they're going to subscribe to my channel because they felt a connection. So that's sort of what I mean by directed ads. So let's go ahead and go into the ads. So what I'm doing is I'm running Instagram swipe up ads, and I'm driving that traffic to my YouTube channel. So I'm basically arbitraging, and my YouTube channel, I want to drive traffic from that to my Instagram, and I want both platforms to funnel each other and sort of snowball my personal brand. So I'm going to show you guys the actual ads and all my targeting and everything. So what I did was I optimized for link clicks. I have a daily budget of $1. Instagram swipe up ads are really cheap. $1 ads are really nice for testing to get the ball rolling and let it optimize, and I'll be able to find out which interest works compared to others, and I'll be able to kill and scale much easier and faster with $1 budgets. What I did was I targeted all first world countries because I want to build a user base of first world country audience basically. So that's why I did that. Left everything unchecked. Interest, dropshipping, single interest, just straight up dropshipping. Placements, Instagram stories only. All mobile devices. Ads, what I do is I have one ad, which is the interest related ad, which you just watched, a general ad 1 and a general ad 2. So I'll show you guys the general ads.
Don't skip. I'm not trying to sell you anything, no webinar, no opt-in, no nothing. I just want you to swipe up. It's not going to go to my Instagram. It's going to go to my YouTube channel where I want to provide you some value. So if you're interested in some free value, swipe up and it's going to go to my YouTube channel.
So I have two general ads, which is more general. It's not interest-based specific. So I definitely want to split test and have both. I want interest-related directed ads as well as general ads that could basically be evergreen and work for any single interest. I add in my Instagram account, my Facebook page, and then I link it to my YouTube channel. So when they swipe up, it goes to my YouTube channel. I use a watch more. What I also do like to split test is adding interactive polls. Interactive polls, I've seen some pretty good results with interactive polls, so I highly recommend you to test that out. But I'm not going to test it right now. But yeah, that's how you go ahead and run directed ads. You want to do the exact same thing for normal Facebook ads, whether it is a post on Instagram, etc. You want your ad copy, your image to really direct it to the targeted audience, because if you do, they're going to much likely convert and become a lead or become a customer and give you that sale if you're able to really direct the ad to them. That is how you go ahead and run directed Facebook ads. I hope I was able to provide you guys some light and value. A lot of people aren't sort of doing this. Dropshipping, e-commerce is not dead. There's just a bunch of bad marketers. If you're a bad marketer, you're not going to survive, and you're going to have to start innovating and doing these things that others don't in order to survive in this game. Entrepreneurship online is just constantly growing, so you're gonna have to constantly stay ahead of the curve and just innovate and try new things and just become a better marketer overall. So I hope you guys found value in this video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, drop it in the comments below. Remember, I'll be picking the best comments to win that free $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course, and I'll be announcing that on the beginning of next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like if I'm providing you guys any value whatsoever. It really means a lot to me if you guys do that. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.